Hi there, students. To intertwine, a verb, intertwined as an adjective. Okay, if two things are intertwined, they are twisted together, they're connected so that they are difficult to separate. Let's see, twine is a word for string, a piece of string. Yeah, normally the sort of string that you use in the garden. I imagine two snakes intertwined, yeah, wrapped round each other. Or if you go into the into a wood where there are lots of trees, there are plants there are creepers that grow up, and they are all intertwined. They're wound together. Yeah, they're twisted together, and they're almost impossible to separate. So, yes, yeah, our hearts intertwined as we fell in love with each other. Yeah, so joined together. The fate of the company and the fate of the town were inextricably intertwined with each other. Okay, they were weaved together. They were interconnected. They were interlaced. Yeah. So they're tangled together. They're twisted together. I think, let's see, if something's tangled, I think this is by accident, and if it's tangled, it's a bit of a problem. Whereas if two things are intertwined, maybe you've weaved them together, you've intermingled them. Yeah, you've intertwined one with the other. So I took various coloured threads and I intertwined them, and I made a bracelet which I gave to my girlfriend. Yeah, these are intertwined, they're put together, they are woven together, they are threaded together, if you like. So two things can be intertwined, twisted together. The climbing plants were intertwined with the electricity cables. Yeah. Okay, so if two ropes become intertwined, they get tangled together. The fate of different European nations are becoming more and more intertwined. Okay, so to twine something together, to become mutually involved, to tangle, to twist together, yeah, to twine together, to weave or wind together, to put together, yeah, to turn one round the other. They were the two lovers were found dead, intertwined in each other's arms. Okay, so hugging each other. Okay, so intertwined, united, one interlaced with the other. And then more metaphorically, yeah, the story intertwines his memories of childhood with events of the First World War. The narrative intertwines the life of an ordinary family with the history that was going on at the moment. Yeah, my destiny is intertwined with your destiny. They are put together, they're twisted together, they go under and over each other. They are interweaved, they're interlaced, they are crossed together, they are intertwined with each other. Okay, and that's the idea. One thing is intertwined with another. Yeah, so with this idea of twine, yeah, intertwined, the twines go round and through each other. They're they are interlaced, they're braided together, they're interwoven. Okay, so there were creepers that in the way, which were intertwined, and it was very difficult to go through them. I guess I could intertwine my fingers. That would do quite nicely. Okay, so formality, intertwine. This sounds rather literary. I'm going to give it a 6.5. I think joined informally. Give it a 6.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. I think this is definitely a good literary word. And then as to origin, okay, we've got a Middle English word or an Old English word, twin, talking about thread, twine. Yeah, twine from Proto-Indo-European, duisnos, double. So I think you've got the idea of two strings or two pieces of twine together, and that's how you make it stronger. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Intertwine, intertwined.